Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com and it's time for another product quick view. Let's get to it. Hey, this is your HellermannTyton, part number TPC1942, and this is a disc port opening tool for the B port. Now what it is, it's kind of like a large screwdriver. It's got a nice handle there, but on the other end it's got a blade, a sharp blade, and that's designed to work with the HellermannTyton fiber optic enclosures, the Cablelok system. Now what you do, you go ahead and pop it into the appropriate port, the diameter. There's different sizes for the other ports, and it's designed to work. This will save you up to 90% of time compared to heat shrink applications. You go ahead and do it like that, it'll cut it open, and with the Cablelok boot, you want to go ahead and slide your cable in there and you pop it right on in there, saving you a ton of time. Order online at DiscountLowVoltage.com.